Hi Avery, first grade. This is Mrs. Arbini, and I am here to walk you through how to get to MobyMax today so that you can take your fact fluency test. MobyMax is not available in is not available in Canvas. So you're going to have to leave Canvas and go to Clever. It should be pretty easy to do. You should see this big blue C up on your browser tabs. It's what you opened to get into Clever this morning. And so you're going to click on that. So if I was over here on this tab, I can find my big blue and white C, click on it, and then I've got my Clever homeroom. Now, to go to MobyMax, you're going to go to this green square with Moby the whale, and you're going to click on it. Now mine will take me to the teacher view, so I'm going to show you a little bit about what the student view looks like. So once you log into MobyMax, they're going to ask who you are. They want to know who you are and whose class you're in. So the top should say your teacher's name, Mrs. Arbini, Mrs. Miller, Mrs. Hutchinson, or Mrs. Bluette. And from there, you're going to click on your name. So this is all a grid of your names. You're going to find your name and click it. The picture I don't have, I wasn't able to get a picture, is that they're going to ask you to choose a picture password. And so they will give you a series of little circle pictures. You have to choose 2 of them to be your password. The trick is you have to remember which 2 you chose. We will use MobyMax a few times a week, and so you have to remember which 2 pictures you chose. So if there's an adult nearby, you might want to ask them for some help in writing down which pictures you chose, because I'll be able to see it, but it's going to be a lot of work for you to contact your teacher every time you need that password. So remember what they are. Once you've done that, you're going to get to a screen that looks like this. At the top, you'll see a star, some books, and what looks like kind of a curvy arrow. You want to make sure you're clicked on this books tab right here. And it's going to bring up this grid. There's all sorts of choices here, and we will get to those another time. But what we want you to do is to click right here. It's called Fact Fluency. And it will give you, oh, I just saw a mistake. I have clicked no Fact Fluency. No, I want you to click on Fact Fluency. You're going to click there, and it's going to take you to a little placement test. And all that is it's going to ask you questions and ask you to solve problems quickly. And so you're just going to go along with that, answer the best you can. I'm not worried right now if they're right or wrong. It doesn't matter to me. I just want you to do your best. And I want you to make sure that you're doing it independently, that no one is telling you the answers, because this is about what you as a student can do. So there's no right or wrong anything right now. It's just do your very, very best. If you have any questions, pop into your teacher's Zoom and ask, but that should get you onto Fact Fluency.